Well, as you folks know, it's still November of 2020. Well, first of all, I want to let you know that I'm at home right now, and that's the reason why I don't have a COVID-19 mask on. But just the same, some of the folks here in Illinois are saying that might have a rough go of it during Thanksgiving because of COVID-19 and so forth. So watch out for that, folks. And watch out for it in your neck of the woods. But just to the point of Thanksgiving, though, if it works out, though, if you either go online to say Macy's.com or go out to the Macy's store in your hometown, perhaps what you could do is get yourself one of those turkey roasters. And then you could bake yourself a nice turkey in a Macy's turkey roaster. And you might have to pay $50 if it's on sale or so, but it's well worth it because Mom and I, we've had one from turkey roaster from Macy's for years now, and it works super great. Well, just the same, folks. If you guys want a deep fat fried turkey, I would highly suggest you to watch that video from Bill Shatner years past about how to deep fat fry a turkey in your deep fat fryer outside in your backyard or something. But other than that, though, folks, I hope you guys have a great Thanksgiving. I hope you guys are as thankful as I am for my life, even though I've had troubles. Other than that, folks, just have a great day. And just remember, do the best you can on Thanksgiving. And please be as happy and cheerful as you can. Thanks a lot, folks. This is Bill. Love you.